Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back. You're watching me Nidhi and today's video is going to be a fun one. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I thought what better than to do a makeup look with the theme of Valentine's. So here I am, but with a twist. We'll be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge for Valentine's Day. I'm like super excited and nervous at the same time. So let's see if I can manage my entire Valentine's Day look just under 10 minutes. I've already have my timer on right here. We just need to like kickstart and get rolling. Fingers crossed, I hope I can cope up, and I literally have all of the products here that I'll be using. For cheating, I haven't even opened up any of the products. I'm going to do all of that in just 10 minutes. Nervous, but let's see how we get going. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 and start. Okay, so सबसे पहले I've already done my skincare. I'll be using the Real Makeup Base as a strobe cream. You can also use this as a primer. Okay, I just love this product. Primer के लिए I'll be using this one from Swiss Beauty. It is their mattifying makeup. It is their mattifying makeup primer. For my concealer, using my fave, the Swiss Beauty concealers. I'll be using 2 shades. सबसे पहले 01 to kind of correct a bit underneath my eyes. And I'll be using the foundation brush to blend it out. This shade is like slight bit warm for my skin tone, so it kind of works in cancelling out any discoloration, so I don't really need a corrector. You can see how flawless that looks. I just love these concealers. उसके बाद I've taken this shade which is 14 and this is like my skin tone in a bottle. I just love this concealer, and again I'll be just kind of underpainting before my foundation, kind of with just the concealer. My base literally looks perfect even with just the concealer, but we'll be using the foundation. This is the Airbrush Full Coverage Foundation, and just like a small pump of it is all that you would need. It is again a beautiful foundation. This time I got like a deeper shade. Last time I picked a lighter shade which was not perfect for my skin tone, but now I feel the shade pretty kind of works. Then my favorite, their blush sticks. Today I'll use this pink one, which is, I'll just see which that shade is, and I'll simply just apply some strikes right there. And let's do an ombre blush. So I'll just add Okay, so I've tried the ombre blush trend here and I've used like the deeper one towards the outer sides of my face and then into the lighter shade. I've blended that out and that looks pretty, honestly, like super cute. उसके बाद very lightly I would just like set everything. खुल जा, जब भी गड़बड़ में होते हैं ना प्रोडक्ट्स खुलते नहीं है. Okay, and I'll just top up the blush with this beautiful matte blush which is Just Rose from them. I love these kind of fresh pink tones. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I have this beautiful palette. It's so pretty. So I'll be just doing a very cute look with this. I need to rush. I just have like 3 minutes left. Okay. Then I'll be picking this bright pink one and applying it in my crease. Whoa. And then diffusing it with the lighter pink. This gorgeous bronze stone and I'll just pack that on my lid. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow, that shade looks insanely good. I just slightly use this one as well on my inner corners a bit. Wow, that looks crazy good. Very lightly mixing these two for my lower lids. Oh god, I have less than a minute. मेकअप के चक्कर में कुछ याद नहीं रहता, फटाफट से I'll use the lip crayon. I just got carried away with the eyeshadow. Okay, for my liner I have this beautiful lavender one that I just so want to try. That looks so good. Fadafat, fadafat, fadafat. Mascara, mascara, mascara. 7 seconds. Fast. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. I think I'm just left with my lower lashes and time up हो गया. वो कर लेते हैं. इतना तो चलता है, right? So mascara अब मैं शांत से लगाऊंगी. Taking like the same mascara over my brow, very lightly. Just give me that feathery brow look. Whoa, that looks pretty. Honestly, I can do my makeup in like 10 minutes with everything. You can see सब कुछ हो गया है. My base looks super flawless. Like कोई बोलेगा नहीं. I've literally taken like 10 minutes to get this done because my skin looks super smooth and airbrushed. Literally, just like the name, the finish is so good on this foundation. And these are the new Color Me Happy eyeliners that I couldn't show while I was doing my makeup because time बहुत कम पड़ गया था. But these are like new launches from the House of Swiss Beauty and they look so good. Like you can see the purple in my eyes. It's just like killing it. You can see how easily they swatch and they're so pigmented. Those are all of the shade swatches of the Color Me Happy eyeliners and they look so vibrant and so pretty. And you can also use my code to avail extra discount on Swiss Beauty. Do check that out. I would have all of the product links and the discount code mentioned in the description box below. You can check that out. Also, if you shop for 3 or more blushes from the Swiss Beauty website, you would get this beautiful pastel pink pouch absolutely free with your blush purchase. So you can go ahead and add your favorite products to the cart right away and do check out because these products are killing it. I personally loved it. Let me know what do you think about today's look in the comments down below and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.